specters, a ghost in the night. Could it be that the gods gave me my life? If it's true, then I'm no man. I'm a god, that's what I am. I was built to spread my lines into the wounds of this world, and I'll spray my holiness into the breast of all these girls. I'm no man. Those are girls a kiss of lies and make small girls like what I am. I'm so
Skwisgaar, are you sure?
Yes, you were right. I'm not a normal human. I am a god.
Move over, Pickles. Let Skwisgaar in. No, let him in first. No, you're not. Get out. You belong in a garbage can.
Get out of here. You belong in a garbage can.
I belong in a garbage can. You belong in a garbage can. You belong in a... Take that. You belong in a garbage can. Finish him off.